all, welcome to KSG Bulletin. Here are the important news updates. Labor reform bills passed. Parliament on September 23, 2020 approved 3 key reform bills that will safeguard workers' interest and provide a transparent system to suit the changing business environment. The Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, the Industrial Relation Codes 2020 and the Code on Social Security 2020 were passed by the Rajya Sabha on September 23, 2020. Lok Sabha had passed these bills on 22nd September 2020 amid boycott by several opposition parties. These bills become law once the president gives his assent to them. The codes will provide security to the workers in terms of salary, social security, and ensure a proper working environment to around 50 crore workers. Laser-guided ATGM successfully test-fired. The Defense Research and Development Organization on September 23, 2020 successfully test-fired the indigenously developed laser-guided anti-tank guided missile from the main battle tank Arjun at KK ranges in Ahmednagar in Maharashtra. India is proud of the team DRDO, which is assiduously working towards reducing import dependency in the near future. X-ray signature around black holes. A team of international scientists led by those from India has found a distinctive signature of cosmic X-rays to identify the boundary around black holes, which unmistakably separate them from the objects in the cosmos such as neutron stars that are comparable in mass and size. According to the astrophysicists, including Sudeep Bhattacharya from the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai, the current discovery is by far the strongest steady signature of the smaller but more extreme stellar mass black holes to date from the cosmic X-rays observed with the satellite. Data free flow with trust. India is not in a position to accept the concept of data free flow with trust, as it is neither well understood nor is comprehensive enough in the legislation of many countries, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal said. In the view of a huge digital divide among countries, there is a need for policy space for developing countries, which will still have to finalize laws around digital trade and data. The minister was speaking at the virtual meeting of the G20 Trade and Investment Ministers. Pi planet discovered. Scientists at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, along with others, have discovered an Earth-sized Pi planet that revolves around its stars every 3.14 days. The orbit of the planet, which the scientists suspect is likely not hospitable as its tight orbit brings the planet close enough to its stars to heat its probably terrestrial surface of up to 450 kelvins or around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, is reminiscent of the universal mathematics constant. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. For more updates and details, please visit ksgindia.com. On our website, you will get organized daily updates in concise and exam-oriented way, informative editorial of the day focusing on current issues, and fortnightly gist of the important news. Thank you so very much.